For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and all of its companion phones and One UI 6. And I'm not sure, but this will probably work on even the phones before that, if it's Samsung. Maybe leave me a comment and let me know, because I'm using this phone. So anyway, it's called the Wi-Fi Labs, and this is kind of an unknown feature. So let's just dig right in. So let's go to our settings, go to connections, and then we want to go to Wi-Fi. And then at the top, the three buttons, you want Intelligent Wi-Fi. Scroll down to Intelligent Wi-Fi, and as you can see underneath that, it has Connectivity Labs there. That's because mine's been enabled. In order to enable that, tap Intelligent Wi-Fi multiple times, and you'll get a text message at the bottom, not text message, but a text message that says Connectivity Labs has been enabled. So let's go into there, and this has got a ton of great information about your Wi-Fi, settings of your Wi-Fi, security, all kinds of stuff. So let's just go through some basics, and I'll make another video that goes more in depth at another time. So we have our weekly report. Yeah, I use Wi-Fi a lot. As you can see, Wi-Fi on, connected. It has usage, times. You have what band you used. You have Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 7, which I have turned off. But let's go into some of the quick settings. So that's just your basics. It's just a basic readings, for want of a better word. So home, let's go to the first one, home Wi-Fi inspection. You can actually get it to start. I have to be careful what I do because it might kick me out, and I don't want that. It'll check your home Wi-Fi, and you pick which one you want, and it'll give you your SSID, your band, your interference, all that good stuff, so you can pick the right signal, the right Wi-Fi that's the best for you is where you're located. Auto reconnect carrier, I have that on. I have turned off Wi-Fi 7 simply because I don't have it, and that's also another way to save yourself battery life. The phone's not trying to look for or use Wi-Fi 7. You turn it off and it's not trying to look for it, so it saves you battery life. Customize Wi-Fi, list settings, Wi-Fi developer options. See, there's all kinds of stuff here that some of this I don't even know. I'd have to look it up myself. Scan intervals, and of course reset all settings. Really some neat stuff, some basic stuff if you want to do it, but stuff that also can get pretty in-depth if you want. Another one is show band information. This is really neat. So now when I go to my settings, I'm turning that on, of course, I go to my connections and my Wi-Fi's. Now you can see which Wi-Fi is 5 gigahertz, which ones are 2.4, like I have basement 2.4 gigahertz, auto reconnect turned off. So it'll give you what signal the Wi-Fi is, which is very important, as we know with connecting some cameras and such. You can only use a 2.4 signal. You can't use a Wi-Fi, or 5 gigahertz. So this will tell you what your Wi-Fi is. So there's a lot of in-depth stuff here. I'll do another video on each setting, and it's in-depth, but this touched pretty good on almost all the settings. It's really a neat thing to have on. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.